Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing another Bath & Body haul, so let's get in and let's get into the haul. Alright guys, welcome back. So one of my favorite hauls for the spring, of course, it has to be Bath & Body. Just to let you guys know, if you haven't or if you missed it, not too sure, but I went to Bath & Body this weekend and I finally got their little heart balloons. I don't know if you guys saw this, but you did have to ask. I had to ask. They had none on the floor, but I knew a couple other YouTubers said, and I saw this on Instagram too, that they were giving out like these little Valentine's Day balloons. So if you haven't, go get it. If you saw these, let me know in the comment section below if you guys saw this at your store. I thought they were super cute. So I wanted to share that with you guys if you didn't know. But I actually kind of did a small mini haul. I'm actually waiting for a couple candles to come in the mail, so I'm gonna do another candle haul video. I have a ton of candles and a couple wallflowers to do, so I'm gonna that's gonna be another video that's coming up. But I had a couple of exchanges that I had to do at Bath & Body, so I wanted to share with you guys what I exchanged those for some summer stuff that's in Bath & Body. The weekend that I got these summer fragrances spring fragrances is actually during the $5 miss, but these were even exchanges, so there was nothing I had to grab. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys got any fragrance miss during that sale, because I was looking for some stuff and literally the girl at two of the people at Body Works, they were like, sorry, we are sold out. So I was looking for Margarita Cupcake. Seriously, that thing was like gone. And the limited of fragrance mints that were still there, it was beyond crazy. So maybe I shouldn't have went during the sale, but it's okay because I definitely had to grab some stuff. So I wanted to share what I got with you guys so that you guys can take a look. So I had it, I was kind of waiting until I did the video for my bake shop video. If you haven't watched that, go watch that. I gave you a couple ideas or some of scent similars of what the bake shop scents were. So I actually grabbed, because I decided I was trying to decide which ones I was gonna keep, which ones I wasn't. I decided I'm keeping them all. So I actually wanted to get the confetti, and I'm blocking it so you guys can see it better. It's so pretty to me, but I got the confetti fine fragrance mist. Confetti cake pop, if you didn't see in that video, the scent reminds me of, and I have to still again give credit where credit is due. I have to give credit to Ashley, one of my subscribers. She commented on one of my hauls and she said it smells like an Italian wedding cake. So that's like a good reference. But to me, it also smells like, if you're familiar with Christmas cookies from Bath & Body, it definitely smells like Christmas cookies. But so it's not a strong scent, but if you combine, like if you use a lotion and then combine it with a fine fragrance mist, then you'll smell that scent a little stronger. So I love the way it smells, but I wanted to get this so that I can use it throughout the day and just in combination add that so it smells stronger. So that's one thing. And then the next thing I have here is the infamous strawberry pound cake. So I let my husband smell all three bake shops. He actually loved it, and he actually loved Margarita Cupcake the best. But I couldn't get the fine fragrance mints for it, so I decided just to get the strawberry shortcake. Again, love the packaging of the bake shop products. They are so pretty. I don't know, let me know in the comment section below if you guys have the fine fragrance mist for the bake shop, or what products you have from the bake shop. I have the candle, and now I have the fine fragrance mist. I didn't get the shower gels because I actually got a ton of shower gels during SAS. I didn't want to like overwhelm myself because I could if I wanted to, but I'm definitely digging the packaging of this, especially if you put this in your bathroom. It looks so pretty. So I love them. Let me know in the comment section if you guys got Margarita Cupcake. It's totally sold out, so I was stuck with these two, but I'm happy because I don't mind. Hopefully I can grab this Margarita Cupcake. Okay, and then the next one I have, I'm so in love with champagne toast. The packaging of this is so pretty. I had to grab it. I went to one Bath & Body at one time where I got the champagne toast in fine fragrance. That's in another haul video. You guys can take a look at that one. But they didn't have the lotion, so I couldn't grab it at that time. I wanted this tall lotion. I didn't want the regular little lotion, so I wanted this one because of the packaging. I'm like weird like that. So I thought this was so pretty. Now, and I'm so sorry, I'm assuming that you guys know. Okay, let me just take a pause and do just give you guys an idea of what stuff smells like. So the keynotes, and they don't have any. Okay, so disregard. We'll talk about the keynotes of, you guys can see my bake shop and I broke down all the keynotes. This one basically smells like Christmas cookies or Italian wedding cake. And this one smells like strawberry shortcake. So if you have an idea of what either one smells like, that's what they smell like. Now, champagne toast does give you information. This one is, let me see, this is pink champagne, black currant, what is that, chambora, and then sparkling nectarine, sugar musk or something. I should have worn my glasses. Sugared musk. Oh, sparkling nectarine sugared musk. That's my bad. All right, so that's what this smells like. Guys, this smells like pure good awesomeness. So that packaging, everything. I know for you guys, it looks like kind of like pinkish gold. It does. I don't know if maybe it's the camera, but I love the packaging of this one. Just looks like champagne goodness. So that's what that one smells like. And then last but not least, maybe I'm late to the party, but I'm kind of digging a Kingdom. So this one, it was because I couldn't find Margarita Cupcake, I just had to find something that I was liking. Kingdom, I've been back and forth with Kingdom. I don't know if you guys, I know this is not like a new hot product, but I kind of digging the way that this one smells. So if for some reason I can't find Margarita Cupcake, I'm definitely gonna get the lotion for this one so I can combine it. Kingdom, I don't know what this smells like. It has like a vanilla. Let me guys give you, because it doesn't say there, and I can't open that thing up because we'll be here all day. This one has like just a fresh scent to it. So I'm definitely gonna get the lotion for this one. Maybe if there's a sale or anything like that. But if you guys don't use like, of course we know that there's like a Bath and Body app, but make sure that you're using the Ibotta app anytime you make any purchases or use Rakuten. All that information will be under the video, but you guys can save more money. I actually just redeemed one of my, if you spend a certain amount on Ibotta, and you can pay Bath and Body with Ibotta. I actually spent, this was all using the Ibotta app, so I got $20 back. So I used they had a sale at the store, so I used that gift card to get all these products. So I didn't even pay a dime because I continue to use the Ibotta app. So definitely guys, if you don't use that, plus of course you have that Bath and Body where you can get free products. So I'm probably gonna redeem one of my free items for the, like the lotion that Kingdom has for this. But yeah, definitely let me know in the comment section below if you've tried any of them. And again, I'm totally probably late to the party on champagne toast. It looks so pretty, but sometimes when it's so pretty to me, they don't smell good. But this one doesn't disappoint. It smells like a combination of champagne and almost, I know it says nectarine, but it has like a sweet scent to it. Probably is that nectarine, but I don't know. I love it. This is definitely one. I had the candle, and you guys, I believe I did the review for that one. I'm not too sure, but definitely check out the review. The candle does not disappoint. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below which ones you've tried. Again, all of these, I love fresh fruity scents, but I also love fresh clean scents, which this one seems to be. This one is just the bomb. I can't even describe that one. All right, so with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.